yeah, man, if you guys like the content I'm putting out, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And it also help me out and it help out my channel, the YouTube algorithm. There was an archer that just passed me. Going on fast and shit. I didn't know if that was a police or not though. It was on my ass at first. I gotta take this exit. You might be going to the same place I'm going to. Let's see. Up close and personal, baby. He might be going to the same spot I'm going to though. I know I'm about to get over there. There you go. Go. What the gang? Just cooling up. But yeah, we almost there, man. We about 3 minutes away. And I'll just hit y'all up when I'm at the shop. So I don't waste y'all time. Y'all can hear this beautiful sound. So I just made it to the shop. Oh shit. Can't leave these babies in. Can't leave them. No sir. But yeah, man. We here. American Muffler. They ain't open yet. Let me see. I'm gonna check the door. They open at 8, but might open it a little bit early because somebody's car parked here already. But yeah, man, we just got here. American Muffler. And I'll see what it say. Got it just pulled up.
Sound too.
Okay.
Too quiet for me.
Too quiet?
What you about to do yours?
I'm about to get a muffler, mid-muffler delete. Oh, somebody is here. Yes, sir. Yeah, hopefully she sound good. I'm trying to hear what it sound like. Too quiet too?
Yeah, it's got 3 mufflers on it.
3 mufflers?
Taking all them off.
Oh yeah.
Just gonna do like a magna flow.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be nice.
You already got the clip.
Yeah. Carving. Yeah, that shit's gonna be raw. Oh yeah, man. They told me they can do the 5-inch tips as well. So we're gonna get those babies on too. Those shits look ugly. There's a fucking stock. Ugh. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? I gotta wash my hands now for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna get that changed today.
So you want the before or after?
Yes, sir. So we're gonna do a before and after. my baby. Got that thing right here. She's a beauty. The mid with the 5-inch tips.
Here's your tip back here. We'll swap them out with what we got. And here's the rear mufflers. Like I said, this whole system, no cars out there on the market have got a system built from the factory like this. I mean, with straight through exhaust system, stainless steel, beautiful, beautiful. See, Dan, we put the tips on back here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, there.
Appreciate you so much, man. So called me here. Take a look at. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did a great job. It's a good job. That's clean. Also did the 5-inch tips right here. Carbon tips. You see the space? Barely any space right there. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. You guys ever need anything done, come to American Muffler Shop. Great guys, great guys. Oh, you hear that? Oh my God. Difference. That thing tough, ain't it? That shit tough. Oh my God. It sounds so good. Just an idle too. Holy shit. Whew. That doesn't sound good, man. Wow. Wow.
But your car came from the factory, which usually makes it look a lot cleaner. Anybody's too.
Yes, sir. Hey. Yeah, man, just got it done. Got air check in the back. Probably want to hear it rail a little bit. Oh, she sounds beautiful. She sounds beautiful. Oh man, it's crazy. And she sounds so good, man. Holy shit. But yeah, guys, I'm very pleased with the results. It's insane. Like, it's way louder. But yeah, it's a big improvement. If you have a Scat Pack or even an RT, Scat Pack Hellcat, I definitely recommend getting a mid muffler delete. That thing is insane. It makes the car sound more aggressive. It's more mean. So in general, it's just the overall plus to the car. It's usually a lot of police here, so I'm not gonna be going crazy fast and then downshifting. Ooh, that sounds mean. Oh my God, yeah, that's a crazy sound. That's a crazy sound. Very aggressive. Simple mid muffler delete. Oh man. 5-inch tips. Beautiful. Had to put on a Waze app because them police be lurking, man. Oh man, she sounds beautiful. Wow. Wow, that sound is just intoxicating. Very intoxicating. Never get tired of that sound, I swear. Let me hit the downshifts. Oh man. Oh, and the pops. Wow. Yeah, that's that sound is whew, beautiful. Sound like the choir singing. Oh. BMW right there. Actually, hey, that thing clean. I think it's clean. Let me hear it. Beautiful. Hear the pops? That's crazy. There's definitely more pop. Wow. This will be the end of the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and help me out. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to come up a little bit. I'm gonna make some more videos, of course.